are you, my appy?
I am fine.
Achha, you're from exclamatory. Then why do you become female version of Shah Rukh Khan? Really?
Yes, I am girl.
Guys, how can he be girl? Are you girl?
Yes, I am girl.
He said you can check. Madhu, check. What is this? You are not hesitating. He should know actually. He knows very well. I don't know what is this. Ladies and gentlemen, so welcome to third sentence surgery session, guys. Well, this surgery has been going on for the last 3 days. And the way you all are practicing, and of course, I would appreciate captains of your team, the way they are uplifting everybody. It means a lot for me and for Well Talk, guys. You must have noticed a board which is in that, kind of aisle, we can say street. There is one line written there, written by Cap sir. He's sitting here. I respect him so much. He wrote truly that we will grow together supporting each other. And you are proving me today that really we will grow together supporting each other. Your captain is supporting, not only captain, but also your member himself or herself support everybody and supports everybody. I salute you for that, guys. So why this sentence surgery session, guys? Because your communication or your interaction becomes beautiful when you go with the accuracy in articulation, guys. Well, what do I mean by accuracy? Accuracy is all about correctness, guys, right? Like sometimes we use he don't know, he did not came here, he doesn't have money, he doesn't has money, we just speak, right? So we make a lot of grammar mistakes. We should not. And with the help of this surgery, we will be able to learn so many sentences correctly, guys. So let's start the session of the day today. I will be inviting one person from this team, one person from this team, one person from this team, and one person from this team. 4 people will be standing here. First, this person will speak any sentence that he wants to. The same sentence, this person has to repeat, but according to your zone. Let's suppose if A.B. Prasad says that, I don't know, then here they have to make it interrogative. No, the sentence is I don't know. You have to say, do I not know? Because not is also there. Yeah, otherwise, don't I know? And here, let's suppose it is positive, then they will say, I know. And here, come on. I don't know. What is that? Expression comes from here, not here. That's right. Did you understand? Yes, sir. So, first person will be speaking sentence. The same sentence you have to repeat. And everybody will be given one chance to speak their own sentence. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, please present a person from your team.
Yes, sir.
Very positive one, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, can you win?
Yes, I win. I can win.
Good. Okay. Are you from Uganda?
Yes, I am from Uganda.
Oh my God. Are you from America?
Yes, I am from America.
Hey guys, I asked him, are you from Uganda? He said, yeah, I'm from Uganda. And again I asked, where are you from? Are you from America? He said, from America. You're from 2 places.
Yes, I am from 2 places.
Where were you born?
I was
born?
I was born Uttar Pradesh.
In Uttar Pradesh? Is it a country or a state?
State.
Oh my God. Is it in India or out of India?
Is it India?
It is India.
It is India.
It is India or
It is in India.
Good. Uttar Pradesh is in India or India is in Uttar Pradesh.
India is Uttar Pradesh is in India.
Very nice. You are supporting?
Yes, I am supporting.
What are you supporting? Interrogative?
Positive.
Positive. What are you supporting?
Exclamatory.
Are you okay?
I am okay, sir.
Ah, my God. Immediately. How are you?
I'm not good.
Really? What is this? What is this?
Negative.
This is negative. I'm asking this. What is this?
It is not cap.
Okay, so you have to speak first sentence in positive, and then people will speak. Everybody.
Tomorrow I am going to America.
Negative.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am not girl. I'm not girl.
What is the sentence? Guys, he doesn't know what is going on. You don't know what is going on. Are he is saying? What did you say?
Tomorrow I am going to America.
And what did you?
Okay, sorry, sir. Sorry. Tomorrow I will not go America.
I will not go.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay, I am going to America.
I am going to America.
Wow!
Am I going to America tomorrow?
Wow! Interrogative. Sorry, whatever you are supporting. Say any sentence.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am not girl.
Yeah.
What? I am girl.
What?
Yes, I am girl.
Really?
Yes, I am girl. Yes.
Really?
Yes, I am girl.
Guys, how can he be girl? Are you girl?
Yes, I am girl.
He said you can check. Madhu, check. You are really girl?
Yes, I am really girl.
Excuse me, will you marry me?
Yes, I will marry you.
What is going on? I'm not girl.
I'm not girl.
Am I not girl?
Oh, my God. He asked. No, it's your turn. You can say any sentence.
Didn't he say he would have completed the work before you come?
Expression.
Didn't he say you would like to completed work?
One second. He says. No, didn't he say? Past. Didn't he say he would have completed his work?
He says he would have to completed his work.
Didn't he say past? Didn't he say?
Oh, sorry. He said he would.
See, the point is that. The point. Once again. The sentence was positive. He says. This is also positive. It is not about past or future. It's about what you are supporting. Today's session is not on.
In case of past, we can say in positive.
But he said in positive, right? He is presenting positive one. Today's competition is not on helping verb. Today's competition is in what? In the zone of positive negative square matrix. He is absolutely right. Right. He said he would have completed
work. Her work.
Yes.
He didn't say. Yeah.
Okay. He didn't say.
Yes, sir. He didn't say. Full sentence.
He said that he would have completed work.
He didn't say.
No, it is not. Hey, how are you?
I'm not good.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Someone told that you are a girl.
Yes, I'm girl.
Fine. So, you are looking for a boy or girl?
I am looking boy and girl also.
Both.
Oh,
Oh my God. Hello.
Hello, sir.
I'm doing everything. I already have given disclaimer. I'm sorry. Any sentence, please. Interrogative. So you already have mine.
Didn't you know about me?
Didn't you know about me? Okay.
Didn't you know about me?
Didn't you know about me?
You knew about me?
I
I didn't know about me.
didn't know about me? Yes. Almost right, but you didn't know about me. Right. Okay. Now you give any sentence.
I have I have been reading books for 2 hours.
I have been reading books for 2 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you. I have been reading book for 2 hours. Oh my God.
I have reading.
I have been reading.
I have been reading book for 2 hours.
मतलब कोई भी sentence है उसका ऐसे कर दीजिए. What is this? I have.
Have I been reading for 2 hours?
That is all.
I have not been reading book for 2 hours.
You give any sentence. Oh my God, लगा के बोलो. खाली sentence. Yes.
Oh my God! It's raining outside.
Is it raining outside?
Is it raining outside?
It is raining outside.
It is not raining outside.
Because they support me.
I know.
Everybody can sit down. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I am again telling you. Excuse me. Hello. There is hello. The teacher of will talk. The trainer of will talk is so dangerous. Hello. The trainer of will talk is so dangerous. He manipulates. He does freaky. He does edutainment. So please cooperate with everything. This session has been started. Whatever I will ask, you don't have to answer. You have to answer, but according to your zone. Your zone is of negative. Your zone is of interrogative. Your zone is of exclamatory. And your zone is of? Yes, how are you?
I am fine.
It's a positive. Why are you thinking? Where are you from?
I am from Bihar.
Yeah, so very nice. Excuse, are you okay?
I okay.
What about you? Excuse me?
I'm not okay.
Really? You can sit down then if you're not okay.
Sir, I'm not.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Am I okay?
I did not ask you. Are you just uncle or boy?
I'm not uncle.
I'm not uncle, guys. Please, please, please. I'm sorry. Please sit down. Is this good or not? Is this good?
What? Again, sir, again.
Is this good that I gave minus to this team?
Yes, this is good.
Yes. Please sit down. I'm sorry, I didn't know. Because. So minus, sir. It should be minus. Why minus? Because he did not make mistake. They are here, they will be here. You sit down, I'll tell you. Alright. Yeah, GK team is here. Okay, AB Prasad. And here Prasant and Umar. ठीक है. Now present another person please here. Present a person please. Speak any sentence that you want to. You are supporting positive sentence, right? You are supporting positive.
Positive, right.
Speak any sentence in front of everyone. Positive sentence. Just a one line sentence.
I will go.
Negative.
I will not go.
Interrogative.
Sir, wait.
I'm not doing anything. Yeah. Yeah.
Will I go?
Yeah.
Yes, definitely I will go.
Okay. Now you speak any sentence. Any sentence.
I don't know where.
I don't know.
Where is?
I don't
Okay,
know. That's
okay.
it.
I don't know.
I know.
Interrogative. Yeah.
Interrogative.
Yeah. One.
Am I no?
Am I know?
Yeah, am I no?
Am I know?
Do minus.
Am I know? Am I
Am
know?
I no?
Correct is do I know? Okay.
Sir, please me, I don't know.
What? He can speak any sentence. Yes.
same.
Now everybody has to sit down. You guys have been plus, right? Please. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Speak any sentence in exclamatory. Okay. Come on. You can use this and speak. Come on. Give me this.
Congratulations, guys. Of course, sir. That's all.
Congratulations, guys.
Yes.
अरे और भी आगे.
Congratulations, guys. I will win match.
I will win.
I will win match.
I will win.
I will match. No, sir. Depend on the kilometer. No, sir. No, sir.
His expression was good. Expression. He is wrong because of one thing. Congratulations, I will win. Are if you win in future, then why will you congratulate? Say I have won. We have won.
Okay, some other.
Present perfect tense.
Present perfect tense.
Yes. Then you will congratulate, right? How can you congratulate for future? Hurry up.
Okay. I have won match.
Kind minus.
Sir, what is it? Sir, I'm sorry. I have won match. Is the correct answer.
You stop. Any sentence, please.
I will go out of country.
Sorry?
I will go out of country. I
You
will.
are in this stage. I thought that word. I will go out of country.
Yes.
Negative.
I will not go out of country.
Will I go out of country? Yes, of course, guys. I will go out of country.
No, this is right. This is right. There is a space. Happy.
Yes, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. I'm okay.
ए देखो एक्सप्रेशन गाय एक्सप्रेशन I'm okay. Exclamatory. Okay, guys. Now it is your turn. You can speak any sentence that you want to.
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Huh? Okay, you give me. You continue. I am holding. Okay. One.
I don't know.
I don't know. Yes, he doesn't know.
Do I know?
Sit down, everybody. Sit down, everybody. Sit down, everybody. Sit down, everybody. I will tell you. Sit down. I don't know. Interrogative will be do I not know or don't I know? What is going on today? Present the present, please. Hey, Papa. Hey, Chacha. Hello, how are you?
I'm not fine, sir.
What happened to you?
I
Yes,
don't-
my Didi.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know?
Yes, sir. I don't.
Please tell me. You are my Didi. I will help you.
I'm not your Didi, sir.
What are you? Are you okay?
I am okay.
Really?
Really.
Eh, you're not okay.
I am okay.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Do you know my birthday?
I know.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell.
I know, sir.
Okay. What is? Oh, this is kulfi. Take kulfi.
This is Kulfi.
Really?
Yeah.
This is wine.
This is wine.
Really?
Really.
No.
I know. This is wine.
This is wine.
Yeah.
Can you drink?
I drink.
Can you drink?
I can drink.
Really?
Really.
Oh my God! This is wine.
This is wine. I know.
How cute he is. How are you, my appy?
I am fine.
Achha, you're from exclamatory. Then why do you become female version of Shah Rukh Khan? Oh. So, do you want to? Do you like this?
Yes, like this.
Where is expression, guys? Expression. Okay, fine, okay. Yes. So you're from interrogative, right?
Am I from interrogative?
Do you want to take it? Do you want to take?
Do I want to take it?
Alright, guys. So are you ready, Didi?
I am not ready, sir.
Are you ready, my bhaiya?
I'm ready.
Are you ready, my appi?
Yes, I.
Are you ready? Ready.
Yes, are you ready?
Expression is there. Expression is there. But I'm asking you, say I am ready. Are you ready?
I am ready, sir.
From exclamatory, it is about only expression. It is not about sentence. It's about expression. Really, it's about expression. All right. Let him say. Let him speak.
But when she use how or what, then it will be.
Yeah, that is you are also right. Exactly. Yeah, you are right. But you know the sentence I am asking, you have to answer according to that, right? You cannot say, if I say how are you, you cannot say how I am fine. Yeah, fir how fine I am. But try your best to show more expression, then it will be considerable. Are you ready, Baji?
Am I ready?
So yes, so you still have, guys, 2 Jivandan. So you can speak any sentence that you want.
I did eat food.
I
Did not eat food. I did not
didn't, right? One second. Swear by God. 1 minus in AB's team. Okay, you can speak any sentence. Interrogative. You're supporting interrogative, right?
Yes, sir.
Speak any sentence.
Sir, may I ask?
You can ask. But don't ask in positive or negative, or you have to ask interrogative only. Yes,
If you try again, will you succeed?
that's right. Same sentence. If you try, will you succeed? If you try, will you succeed?
Again?
Make it exclamatory emotion.
If you try again, will you succeed?
Don't.
If you try, will again success? If you try.
Expression! The sentence is not will you succeed again. She's already in minus, no worry. Will you succeed? Hai, succeed.
If you try.
Complete your sentence, hurry up.
If you try, will you success?
No expression. What is this?
If you try, you will succeed.
Negative.
If you don't try, you will not succeed.
Everybody has to sit down. Omar's team is in minus.